welcome to my YouTube channel Career Mantra by Pradeep Ramani. Dear friends, uh, uh, under Career Mantra by Pradeep Ramani, I have been trying to speak about the career options for young job seekers and junior level executives, where you can find tips to get selected in the companies of your choice, and also you find some kind of tips for early promotion, performance enhancement, including your overall transformation, your personality, your communication, your body language, your decision making abilities, and interpersonal relationship with the seniors and juniors. So these are the profile, these are the qualities which make you successful in your life. Earlier video where I have talked about the shortcuts, especially the tips for success. And now I have decided to talk about career options in pharma industry. Since I was associated for quite some time in pharma industry, so I believe that I'll be able to give you the right option to get into pharma industry, whether you want to get in sales, marketing, you want to get into R&D, quality control, production, and there are many other options which you can find in the pharma industry. Pharma industry, as you know, is the backbone of any country's health services. India, by and large, is one of the major exporters of pharma bulk drugs as well as intermediates and final products also to North American countries, UK, and many other European and African countries, Asian countries. Probably India stands almost third as far as pharma exports are concerned, amounting to be around $55 billion per annum. And it's growing also at the rate of 7.8% per annum. When you see in the pharma industry, as you see, it is contributing almost 14% to India's GDP, and there are many multinational and Indian companies which have been doing wonderful job in this regard. Over the years, the pharma industry has seen a lot of transformation because of automation, because of the change in systems, Overall, we still believe that pharma industry is one where youngsters can build the career if you want to get into sales or marketing or training, product management, production, logistics, HR, admin. So all these options are open. Now let's come back to India's position. There are many good companies. I will just name like Sun Pharma, Torrent Laboratories, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Glenmark, Mankind Pharma, Rinder Pharma. Like these companies have been Lupin Laboratories. These companies have been doing a wonderful job in the last 15-20 years and improved India's export volume. Like any other company or the factory or the what you call industry, pharma industry also has different segments. So let's talk about pharma means medicines which you find on the retail counters. There are two kinds of products. One is ethical product, other one is the generic product. We'll talk about the job option in ethical companies as well as the companies which are promoting generic products. There's first base of any company is the sales team. So if you are a science graduate or B Pharma or M Pharma, or you have got interest into getting into pharma industry, even MBAs, you are welcome to join as a medical rep or field sales officer and build your career. So there are different hierarchy of sales team. You can say that first is the pharma industry medical representative, then is area sales manager, is a supervisor level post, then is the regional manager. The regional managers report to the general managers. General managers normally are situated into four zones, like for example, west in Bombay, east in Calcutta, south in Tamil Nadu or Bangalore, or in north Delhi, or maybe in Chandigarh. So these are the places for the general head. They report to general manager, who normally sit in the head office. Similarly, after general managers, they report to either VP or board of directors or chairman of the company. So this is the hierarchy in sales. Similarly, in marketing people are responsible for what you call designing plans, visual aids, leaflets, promotional schemes, and competition rebuttal plans. All these are under marketing team. They are virtually the brain of pharma sector, because under their planning only companies grow. And after marketing, then you come to the HR department, where the recruitment, training, onboarding, all these things are the part of HR team. Your PF, ESI, the facility, gratuity, and all these statutory requirements are made by these team. HR, admin, they are responsible. Even releasing your salaries, all your appraisal, your promotional plan, all are designed by or taken care by the HR team. They, in coordination with the sales team or marketing team, give appraisal reports, and on the basis of that, the increments, promotions are decided. This is about the HR team. Now, coming back to supply chain management. When the production is there, the products are ready, it needs to be supplied to different depots or super distributors or wholesalers, and they are basically what you call the department which handles the supply to the entire network. And then only these products go to the retailers or the nursing homes or the hospitals from where you buy the product. Now, coming back to the head office and the production plant, the factory runs with the skilled workers. The skilled workers could be taking care of the production, operations, and maintenance of the plant. For that, engineers, mechanical, diploma engineers, and electrical engineers, no? These are the people who are involved in the processing and process sector of the plant. Any breakdown, any problem related to the machinery are taken care by these units. Of course, nowadays the machines are automated, where the physical wear and tears are less, and mostly it is all related to electronic circuits and the problem related to that only. For that, electronics engineers or electrical engineers are responsible. Now, coming back to the research point, research where the new products are designed, developed, and tested. They are also responsible for the quality of the products which are produced in the plant. Every batch needs to be approved by the drug control department. Then only the products can come to market. So this is about the production department, where in the plants either B pharma, M pharma, all these people are required. Biotechnology people, microbiology people, they have got greater scope in this particular segment. So anybody, if you are a B pharma, you are M pharma, or you are a microbiologist, a biotechnologist, you can jolly well get into that. Similarly, some doctors are also required, because product training and all these things are the part of the training team who provides proper information to the salespeople. Otherwise, you can't go to talk to doctor without proper knowledge and information. So, doctors also. So, what you have to know about the physiology, anatomy, and pharmacology to be good enough to handle either production or the marketing or in the field sales. All these are interlinked. So, you need to be quite knowledgeable in these subjects. Apart from that, the the company also runs with some kind of professional approach for brand building. They invite doctors under seminars, they conduct seminars or conferences to promote their products. So there also your efficiency is required. You need to be good in that. So overall, if you look into pharma industry is quite promising industry. Of course, this is also divided into two parts. One takes care of ethical promotion, ethical the products, and other one now is taken care by the generic department. Generic department where the molecules are directly sold under what you call without branding. Even some companies have given their brands, but it is exempted from the various taxes which are levied on the ethical products, where the cost becomes very high because of the operational cost. Operational cost requires means the salaries to the field people, and operational cost means all these salaries, office expenses are added to their costing. So ethical products are expensive. Even government is trying to promote that if you are regularly consuming products, so instead of every time purchasing the branded product, you can go for the generic product, which will save. So this division will also quite promising for youngsters. If you want, you can also join the generic division of any pharma company and build your career. So finally, I can say the pharma industry, unlike FMCD and FMCG, it is the second. It is the industry which will last till the human beings are there, because doctors, medicines, and human health, these are the important part of our life. Now, if again in pharma industry there are different segments also, like the vitamins, nutrients, wellness products, geriatric products, the products specially meant for the gynecologists, skin specialists. So there are different bifurcated products range which are sold. So many companies have specialized. Like for example, if you talk about Sun Pharma or Torrent Pharma, they have got more of the antibiotics and the psychotropic drugs, which are they prepare. Similarly, some products are there all for ophthalmologists. Some products are there exclusively for neonates. So like that, there are various different divisions in pharma industry, and you can choose your company as per your interest. But let me also say the pharma industry is a good paying industry where you can start your career. If you join any multinational company, your starting salary starts from 7 to 10 lakhs, or along with numerous perks and incentives. So could put together your salary or average salary will be more than 60 to 70,000 rupees per annum, other than incentives. Overall, the Indian companies, of course, they are slightly conservative in paying because of their own limitation, but nevertheless, the salary could be minimum 4 to 5 lakhs for any good average company who can take care of your promotions, your future. For example, if you work for 4 5 years, you can become area manager. After 3 4 years or 5 years, you can become regional manager. Again, after 4 5 years, you can become general manager. So by end of 20 years, you can reach to the level of general head, or in some cases, general manager also. And this is, of course, a senior position. And after that, of course, you can get into the board of directors or BP or marketing head for any company. So with this, I end my what you call video on career in pharma industry. In case suppose you have got any other query, you can reach to us through my YouTube channel, Career Mantras by Pradeep Pramani. With this, I like to wish you all good luck. Those who are interested to get into pharma, you can jolly well join. But honesty, as I said, hard work, dedicated work, planned work, these are the keywords which I'd like to suggest those who are interested to get into pharma and build the career. Thank you very much, and hope to see you in my next program of Career Mantra by Pradeep Ramani. Thank you.